All right, now we've driven our first cone into place and we are ready to trim off the excess cable above where that cone went in. We're going to reinstall the punch that we used to put the first cone in, and we're going to use that as a guard. So we're going to put that right back down like it was when we were punching it in. And then we're going to use our angle grinder here and cut away these wires. You want to leave about 3/4 of an inch of wire left, because as this sets, when you go to pull test it, it will pull down a little bit. So about 3/4 is right. Okay, so once we've done that, we've scored it. We should just be able to break them off individually like so.